Welcome back to Robinhood Coins. This is TJ, and today we're going to hunt another 6 boxes of half dollars. And the NF String & Sons rolls in my area have been pretty hot, so I'm pretty excited about these boxes right here. I do have one bank that they just thrash their boxes. That top box, and then I think, yeah, that box right there, the third from the bottom, is all beat up. But they are bank wrapped rolls, so that is good. We're going to be looking for silver, proofs, errors, varieties, anything to add to our collection. And as always, we'll be giving away something we find from the hunt. In order to enter the giveaway, all you have to do is comment on this video and then be sure to watch our Saturday winners video to see if you won. Well, I'm excited to open these up. We'll do the box openings live and we'll share it if we have a silver ender. Otherwise, we'll jump into box number 1. All right, we're going to crack in a box number 1. This is from the bank that tears up the boxes.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, I know. This bank is notorious for, oh. That looks interesting, but I don't think so. I think it's just the lighting. But let me take a second and try to organize these. And it looks like we have silver. Look at that right there. We do have one. We got them organized. I will take a beat up box that has a silver ender all day long. We have box number 1 ready to go, and me and my little helper are so excited to get into this silver that we moved the silver to the first roll spot. We're going to crack into that one first. We didn't have any other enders to speak of, but hopefully we have some silver on the inside. Huh, little helper?
Yeah, and let's get into it and find some silver.
Let's go. All right, here is roll number 1. We have a silver ender, and we are going to crack into this roll and see what else is on the inside. Looks like it is just the ender.
Except for shiny.
And we do have a shiny, and I'll look at it just from my little helper, but it is just a 93. So we're going to hand that to Maid Marian to look through the clad for us. And here is that silver ender, 1967. Loving the silver in the rolls. And we do have an NIFC though. We have a 2015 NIFC. That is good stuff. We are all done with box number 1, and here's the recap. We ended up with a 1967 40% silver, as well as 2 NIFCs, a 2004 Philadelphia and a 2015 Denver. So all in, anytime you get a silver, that is a good box. And now it's time for box number 2. We didn't have any silver enders, but hopefully we have some silver on the inside. So we're going to crack into roll number 1 right now. I'm recording this after the fact because boxes 2, 3, and 4 were skunk boxes, so we're just going to trash all of that footage and then jump into box 5 and 6 because those were great boxes. So we have box number 5 laid out and ready to go, again with no silver enders, but hopefully we have some silver on the inside, so let's find out. And look at that. Look at that. Oh, that's a sight for sore eyes. Hopefully you guys see it. And if I'm not mistaken, I think we have a silver sandwich. Hopefully you can see the silver Sammy. Do you see it?
I see.
That one right there. And that one right there.
I cannot see that one.
That is...
Edge.
Yeah, that is...
It doesn't even
No, that one's the one that did look like it. That's the one that looked dirty.
No, that one looks more like a silver.
But look at that. They both are some beautiful ones, too.
That one's beautiful better than that one.
That is really nice. So we have 2 silver on the board.
Woohoo! 3 rolls in.
That's good news.
Wow.
This is roll number 6 right here. And roll number 6 is going to give us some more silver. Let's see if you can see it. Hunt it with me. Let's see if you could see it, and there it is. It is a 1967. That is good stuff. We have 3 silver on the board. Oh, that is awesome. It's a good finding silver, huh?
And that's really good.
And it looks like roll number 30. Roll number 30 is going to give us another silver to look for. Hopefully you can see it. It's got that distinct greenish 40% silver tinge to it. Let's see. And it's a 1968.
Ooh, we don't get those often.
Yeah, it's a 1968 Denver. That is great.
Well, we have to get those a lot.
Yes, we do. And we will check for the D over D. And let's get some more silver. And this is roll number 38. And 38 is going to give us another silver. That is good stuff. That is good stuff. Hopefully you can see it there. Very similar to the last one. And it is another 1968. Right there, 1968 Denver. That is good stuff. That makes number 5 for the box. So we are all done with box number 5, and that turned out to be a great box. Anytime you can get 5 silver, that is a great box. We ended up with 3 NIFCs, 2 2004s and a 2005. Not the greatest of condition, but they are NIFCs. And then the best of the silver is this beautiful 1968 Denver. We'll have to check to see if it has a reprint minch mark. That would be awesome if it did. So now we're on to box number 6, and we checked for enders, and there was no silver enders, but hopefully we have silver on the inside, just like box number 5. So let's get in here and find out. So we're gonna kick it off with roll number 1, and let's see. Oh, wow. Roll number 1, this is great. Look at that. We have silver. Hopefully you can see it. Hunt it with me. It's a 40%er. So let's see what it is. And we have another 1966. That is great. Oh, I love finding silver on the first roll. That is exciting. And it looks like we're going to get lucky on roll number 12. Hopefully you can see it. That is great. We have another 40%er. Let's see what it is. It's another 1968. That is good stuff. There we go. This one's a little bit dirty. You got some gunk on the front, a little bit of green on the back, but it's still 40% silver, and we will take it. Oh, wow. Holy cow. Look at this. Look at this.
Oh, wow. 1, 2, 3.
Yes. Yes, we have 3. We have some back-to-backs. Now, that's a true silver sandwich. Holy moly. This is crazy. This is crazy. So we have a 66. Look at that. Then we have a 1968 Denver. Got to love that. That's a nice looking one too. I love it when they look like that. And then we have another 1968 Denver. Oh, that is incredible. And this is roll number 40. And roll 40 is going to give us another silver. That is great. Look at this. Oh, that is awesome. That is good stuff. Hopefully you guys can spot it. It is right there. And it's a 65. We do not get 65s that often. That is incredible. Yes. We get this the least out of all the 40%ers. So that is good stuff. Well, we are all done with box number 6. And just a quick recap, we did find 6 silver. The highlights are the 1965, which we don't get many of. A decent looking 1968 with some little toning. And then a nice looking 1966 Kennedy as well. So we are all done hunting through all those boxes and checking for some errors and varieties. And man, that was an exciting hunt. It was exciting in the beginning, getting that ender, a little bit of a letdown in the middle, and then it picked up really good at the end. We ended up with a total of 12 silver, all 40%ers. A couple really nice ones though. This beautiful 1966 right here. And then we also had a really nice 1968 Denver right here. That was a really nice one. And we had a total of 9 keeper NIFCs. Probably the best one was this 2015. Well, it's got a little bit of a grease strike, but a nice 2005 right there. The Robinhood Coins giveaway for today's video is going to be another 80%er. We have 2 1967 40% silver Kennedys. As always, to enter the giveaway, comment on this video, and then be sure to watch our Saturday winners video to see if you won. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video as much as we enjoyed the hunt. It was a lot of fun, especially finding silver. If so, smash that like button. If you enjoy our content, please subscribe, and don't forget to ring that notification bell so you don't miss any giveaways or videos, and we'll see you on the next hunt.